Agreed. The damage here is extensive. We need to focus on stabilizing this column first. This section of the floor is completely unstable. The structural damage here is extensive. Can we support the columns while we rebuild? We'll need a specialized crane. The ground is unstable. Be careful there. That section is weak. Just checking this beam. Get those ladders ready. All right, slowly now. Hold it tight. Watch that corner. Glass is falling. Clear on the left? Yeah, clear. Coming down. Slow down. Lower it just a bit. All right, hold it there. There. Push it over to the right. Okay, got it. Tension off.
Keep sanding. It's almost ready for the next coat.
All right, moving over. Watch the dust.
Okay, lower slowly. Keep it steady, watching the cable. Aligning the frame now. Careful with the edge.
All right, let's get this yard cleaned up. On it, boss. Truck's full. Take it away. Good work, team. Looks much better. All right, let's get this plaster cleared out. Move the bin closer to the windows. Watch your step, lots of rubble here. All right, together, 1, 2, lift. Steady, steady, watch that beam. Heavy. Now let it down slowly on the cart. Keep pushing those wires. Almost got this box mounted. Keep working on the mortar here. We need more wire on this circuit. Check the fitting, it's loose. Keep it even, don't miss that corner. More resin over here. Looks good, keep rolling. Keep it level, watch the corner. Okay, slowly down. Let's get these chairs here. Okay, adjust the left side slightly. Got it, raising it up. Check the ceiling alignment. Looks good, let's secure it now. Keep it steady there. A little to the left. Looking good. Pass the mallet. Keep it steady. Hold it there. Watch the edge. Hand me that bucket. All right, bring it down slowly. Easy, easy. Just a bit more. Looks good from up here. Hold it steady. Line it up. Got it. Watch your step on the marble. Keep it steady. Slow down just a bit. Looks good. Check the bottom. Almost there. Just a little more. Secure the clamp now. All right, try the chandelier. Looking good. LEDs are on the right. Perfect fit. Looks incredible. Keep it even, Character B. You got it. Watch the corner, Character A. I see it. It looks fantastic. Needs a bit more right here. Keep working on the edges. We're almost there. The reflections are looking great. Pass me the polishing rag, please. Let's bring the armchair closer to the sofa. No, further back. It looks better there.
Okay.
Watch the chandelier, careful with the plants. The electrical seems to be perfectly calibrated. Exceptional work. The ambient lighting is flawless.
Let's finalize the walkthrough details.
All right, team, let's get this room cleared. Bins to the left, wheelbarrow in the center. Watch your step on the debris. Keep it coming. Watch your step. Heavy load. Almost done here. Keep pushing it in. All right, I got it. Watch your step here. The reading is 26.7.
Okay.
Okay, highlight the rebar cluster. Checking the angle on this crack. All right, feed the copper through. Got it. Need a drill over here?
Here.
Coming right up. This conduit needs securing first. Pass me the 3/8, please. Right here. Ready to hook up the strips? Give me a second. Got the pipes to secure first. Careful with those cables. Always.
I'm getting a 5 mm variance here. Okay, hold that position. Verified.
Keep it even on your side. Adjusting the flow now. Perfect. We're almost done. Need more heat here. Cover that spot on the left. Watch the edge. Let's try the blue pillows here.
Careful with the marble.
Looks perfect, thank you.